Hi guys. We've had so many different types of wildlife here. This is considered a rural area. We have coyotes, we have owls, frogs, hawks, crows of course, cranes, turtles, and now they have some type of birds. They're blue. They're so pretty, guys. They just come in the morning or in the evening, early evening, and they perch themselves on the fence. And then I don't know what they're doing, but they fly down to the ground, and I don't know. But it's beautiful to see Jehovah's creation, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Give us a thumbs up and comment down below and let us know what kind of wildlife or animals or birds you see in your neighborhood. Have a great day. Hi guys, happy Thursday, happy cool, crispy fall, happy cool, crispy fall morning, man. It feels so good out here, baby. Finally, we get some fall breeze, guys. Happy Thursday. Enjoy your day, because I know I am. Guys, we made it back to the bookstore, Starbucks.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm fine, dude.
So here it is, guys.
It ain't look like it was supposed
You
to.
don't have no ice in yours.
I ain't worried about it.
It's a little thin, but hey, it's something different. It's supposed to be the pecan. Every time I get something different, y'all, it really be not what I really been expecting. But I don't think the foam is on top of it. Cheers. Guys, she pretty. Shepherd hooked her up. She looking cute, huh? There's some visitors in the backyard. Some really pretty blue birds, look.
Hello, everyone. How y'all doing? Howdy, howdy. Today is Friday. Used to be one of my hardest days at work. Now, thanks to Elvin, everything is smooth. Tammy, she worked hard too, but smooth. Time to get mother-in-law up for Pace. Friday. Mother Regina. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh. Pace is the yeah, the day is Friday, Good Friday. You ready? You want to go?
I guess.
Yeah, that's how I go.
All right, then. All you have to do is put on some socks and some shoes. And maybe your hair.
One sock on and the other one, I don't know.
The other one that took off and took legs. That's all right. They got a bunch of them in that drawer down there.
You do?
Yeah. You can also have this one.
Make you so.
And your mohair,
And my more hair, I'm ready to go.
it's right there.
More hair.
You got the
Wait,
said
more hair.
round there on them table.
All right, now.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get that good stuff.
What?
The little pills.
Ooh.
The little pills. Don't you run. Have to be good little boy and good little girl. I have to take my medicine, so you have to take yours.
I'm grown now. I have to take my myself.
That's not the truth. I'm grown too. No, that's little baby Tylenol. We take grown-up medicine for our bodies. Okay, I ain't gonna tell nobody. Must have went out last night.
Oh, I forgot I can't be having all this stuff on.
No,
Yeah,
just
take all that off.
you don't want that trouble.
I can't take this off. They bad enough to pull that off, man. They good.
Right?
Oh.
Wait. Oh, okay. I'll bring that out later. What? She try to throw it away every morning.
Mm-hmm.
Why would you want to do that?
Mm-hmm. You want to take one with me? At least you can take one.
I take one every morning. And you try to take another one.
Well,
and
you
another
have two.
Now, I already have 7 of my own.
Well, good.
Then there would be 7 plus 7. That's 14. That's
You younger than me. You could go ahead on.
yeah, I know it. All right.
Look out for your mother-in-law.
Monday, I'll take care of you.
Monday.
Yep, today Friday. 2 more days, I'll take care of you.
I gotta use the potty.
I'll go. See you in the furnace. Yeah. Well, guys, yesterday it was pretty cool. It's pretty cool this morning as well. Like I said, down here, down south, it'll be burning up later on. Right now it's probably at 75, maybe roughly 80. Oh, but see, when 1 o'clock hit this evening, it'll be 95, 100. And this is October. Supposed to be kind of a fall weather, cool with a little coolness. Not down south. You got to go up north if you want the real cold. But that's down south. That's the way it is. Who might change that? Not I, said the cat. Sitting out here with mother-in-law, she on her way to peace. And look, guess what? I'm going to work. I'm going to speak Sadies. I got the fried chicken. No, not today. I got a fried fish and shrimp today. They gonna get that work out of me today. Let me see. It's not the first of the month, so it might not have that many people coming now. But it's tricky. That job could be tricky. Yesterday we sold out it. The other day we sold out so fast. Shoot, we didn't know what was hitting us. But y'all stay tuned. There's more to see. go blowing nanny. Yep. Here she goes. She on time again today, y'all. All right, little sister. Good morning. Mom off today. Just like yesterday. See, she ain't tripping. She don't stink. I see you want to change your clothes. She don't want to do that. Took my chair. But that's all right. I sit right here. Let them know what they gave you there.
They give me gumbo, gumbo, gumbo.
She got it, y'all. They give her gumbo on Friday and whatever else they.
Oh, I don't know what else in there. I just know gumbo in it. That's all. This the gumbo in this device.
That's it.
Ooh, I can't wait. Come on now.
Well, I'm finished at Sweet Sadie's. Today is Friday. We ain't got to see this place until next week, Monday. When you blink your eye tonight to go to sleep, you wake up, it's going to be Monday. Ain't it going to be Monday as soon as you blink your eye, Mama?
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. You know it.
Who we waiting on?
Corbin.
That's it.
Who are you talking?
You said.
Oh, okay.
All right, y'all. Y'all have a good evening. I'll talk to y'all soon. Shabba dooba 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 dooba.
I missed
That's the Flintstones, y'all. Is it yabba dabba doo, y'all? It's one of them. But see y'all later.
But let me show
Comment
you
down
I
below.
can fix you.